Well, hey friends, those of you may or may not recognize me, and that's okay. I'm Brandon, and I am part of the Scrapbooking with Me family behind the scenes. I'm here in the shop, and I wanted to just do a little quick and special video. First off, to offer our thanks and our appreciation from our entire family, from Miss E, Melina, and Alicia and Benji, and all the kids, Aaron, Bethany, Presley, Brooklyn, and from myself. We want to thank everyone for so much you've done the last few days. To take the time and to offer your condolences, those of you that sent text, there's cards we've received. There's so many things, money that God has blessed us with good friends like yourself. And so I just wanted to do something, I guess, a little special, and just to look at you face to face when you're watching this, to say thank you deeply from our family, the whole Ray family. We thank you. And we are just sort of trying to get along right now. We are working in the shop now, and I believe we about got caught up on some orders, and some of you that maybe wouldn't have ordered, or maybe are stocked up with stuff, but you still ordered just because you knew that our business had to continue. And we want to thank you for that. We encourage you, if you could use some of our products, we try to have the very best that we can for you. You can go on scrapbookingwithme.com, as most of you already know. And that's one way you can still continue to support our family, because we are going to continue to provide the best service we can for you. And Miss E and Miss Melina will continue to do videos as they can. Many of you have taken the time also to go back and watch many of the videos that they've done, hundreds and hundreds of videos they've done on their YouTube channel. And we would thank you for going back and doing that, because that helps us also. But I know in the future they plan to get back and get going again. But it's going to take time, as most of you know. So just want to thank you for offering all the things you've done, for your encouragement, and maybe for those that get encouragement from what they do and what we do here. We hope that it's more than just a business. We hope that maybe there's been even relationships established. As crazy as that might be to some people, I do believe that we're all connected. And those of you know that we're people of faith, and we're appreciative of all the prayers and support that you give. And so we encourage you to continue to send that support if you would. Again, we love all of you, and we appreciate your business. We appreciate your friendship. And those of you that don't know us that well, go back and watch some videos and see there's a lot of things that are more than just tutorials. Things that I know Miss E and Melina share about our family and about Wit. I mean, you called him Mr. E sometimes. And but he lit up our life, and I know that many of you that did get to meet him, you know what I'm talking about. He meant the world to us, and we miss him. And it's, days will be hard, but we know that we'll make it through with the support of you, and of course from the Lord. So again, I'm Brandon, and I'm sort of behind the scenes. Pull the orders here at the shop and get them sent out. And I guess I'll have my hands on a little more than normal, but from now on, but that's okay. So we want to, again, provide you the very best that we can, whether you get entertainment from the videos, or you learn some things, or sometimes you just need somebody to hear, to listen to. And so we encourage you to continue to go on the videos, the YouTube videos with Miss E and Miss Melina. And every time you click on, every time you watch, it helps and supports our business. And then also you purchasing things. I know that Benji and Alicia has been providing the B&E designs. They've been providing a lot of stuff for our shop. So we're doing this as a family. And we grieve as a family. We rejoice as a family. We work as a family. And I'm so thankful that we're able to do that. Again, Miss Melina, Miss E, Alicia, Benji, all the kids, myself, we love you. We appreciate you. And I also want to do one other thing. I know that there's been a GoFundMe that has been established for Miss E. And it's on all the pages, I believe, all the Facebook things, and you can check that out. But also, if you don't go that route and you still want to help, obviously, again, buying things from our shop is a blessing. It helps us to continue making a living and do what we do for you. But also, I will provide the PayPal link to Miss E if you want to send some kind of donation in honor or memory of Mr. Witt. We'll put that link on there on this video also. Don't know what else to say except thank you. And we're going to continue doing what we do as best we can. And hope the very best for you and your family. And may God bless all of you. And from our heart, thank you. It means the world, okay? So we hope to see some of you down the road sometime. But in the meantime, keep those orders coming. We'll keep the videos going, and we're going to continue on, okay? God bless all of you, and take care. Have a great day. And as Melina says, bye, y'all.